Theta cost most certainly equivalent to $0.8208 a coin, which especially is very huge. The present exchanged cost range, 0.7851-0.8208 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. The earlier day close, 0.7918. Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The change was plus 0.0290, plus 3.66% in a fundamentally enormous way. Converse rate, United States dollars to Theta in an unpretentious way. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Theta cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $0.78, especially greatest 0.83, kind of least 0.73. Which especially is genuinely huge. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, July 25, cost $0.80, truly greatest 0.86, truly least 0.74, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost $0.82, especially most extreme 0.88. Really least 0.76 in a sort of significant manner. Theta conjecture on Thursday, July 27, cost $0.83, certainly greatest 0.89, fundamentally least 0.77, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta cost forecast on Friday, July 28, cost $0.81, genuinely greatest 0.87, most certainly least 0.75 in a kind of significant manner. In multi-week Theta gauge on Monday, July 31, cost $0.82, by and large greatest 0.88, essentially least 0.76, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.78, most extreme 0.83, sort of least 0.73, which certainly is very critical. Theta estimate on Wednesday, August 2, cost $0.78, especially greatest 0.83, truly least 0.73, especially further appearance how Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.78, certainly most extreme 0.83, essentially least 0.73, which generally is genuinely huge. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.76, sort of greatest 0.81, especially least 0.71, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Theta estimate on Friday, August 4, cost $0.83, for the most part greatest 0.89, really least 0.77 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $0.84, truly most extreme 0.90, genuinely least 0.78 in a kind of huge manner. Theta figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.86, especially greatest 0.92, kind of least 0.80. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.88, by and large most extreme 0.94, genuinely least 0.82 in an unpretentious way. Theta figure on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.88, truly greatest 0.94, kind of least 0.82 in an unobtrusive way. Theta cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $0.88, truly most extreme 0.94, lovely least 0.82, which truly is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks Theta gauge on Monday, August 14, cost $0.90, by and large greatest 0.96, essentially least 0.84, which generally is genuinely huge. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.87, especially greatest 0.93, certainly least 0.81 in an especially significant way. Theta gauge on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.83, most certainly greatest 0.89, certainly least 0.77, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.83, especially most extreme 0.89, by and large least 0.77, which especially is genuinely huge. Theta gauge on Friday, August 18, cost $0.84, kind of most extreme 0.90, by and large least 0.78 in a kind of significant manner. In about a month Theta cost expectation on Monday, August 21, cost $0.84, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.90, least 0.78, which basically is very critical. Theta gauge on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.88, greatest 0.94, beautiful least 0.82, which for the most part is very critical. United States dollars to Theta today. United States dollars to Theta swapping scale exceptionally equivalent to 1.2183 coins per $1. Or so they certainly thought. Today's reach, 1.2183 1.2737 in a huge way. The past AS nearby, 1.2629. Kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Change for now 0.0446, 3.53% in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Theta cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future, and month. Dollar to Theta estimate on Monday, July 24, cost 1.282 coins in every practical sense, most extreme 1.370, exceptionally least 1.205, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Tuesday, July 25, cost 1.250 coins, kind of greatest 1.351. Beautiful least 1.163, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. Dollar to Theta figure on Wednesday, July 26, cost 1.220 coins, really greatest 1.316, fundamentally least 1.136 in a truly significant way. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Thursday, July 27, cost 1.205 coins, most certainly greatest 1.299. Least 1.124, exhibiting that Theta cost exceptionally equivalent to $0.8208 a coin, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Theta figure on Friday, July 28, cost 1.235 coins, certainly most extreme 1.333, fundamentally least 1.149, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Uniswap value expectation tomorrow, month and in every way that really matters, significant way. In multi-week United States dollars to Theta forecast on Monday, July 31, cost 1.220 coins, sort of most extreme 1.316, least 1.136, or so they essentially thought. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Tuesday, August 1, cost 1.282 coins, truly greatest 1.370. Truly least 1.205, so Uniswap value forecast tomorrow, month, which is very huge. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Wednesday, August 2, cost 1.282 coins, kind of greatest 1.370, sort of least 1.205, or so they for the most part thought. Dollar to Theta estimate on Thursday, August 3, cost 1.316.